Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to disable vibration alerts for comment notifications on Google Drive. If you've been getting constant vibrations every time someone leaves a comment on your shared files, and you'd rather keep things a little quieter, this quick guide will help you make that change. Let's get started. First, go to your phone's main settings. This is where you'll find all your app preferences and notification controls. Scroll through your apps list until you find Google Drive, then tap on it. Once you've opened Google Drive settings, tap on Notifications. This is where you'll see all the different types of alerts that the app can send you. Since we're focusing on controlling vibration just for comments, we'll need to go a little deeper. Next, tap on Notification Categories. These categories are designed to give you more control, allowing you to adjust exactly how different kinds of notifications behave, instead of treating them all the same way. Now, tap on Comments. Inside the Comments notification settings, you'll notice different options, including the alert sound and vibration. To stop your phone from buzzing every time someone comments, simply toggle off the vibrate option. With that small change, your device won't vibrate anymore when a comment notification comes through. You'll still get the notification itself if you have it enabled, but your phone will stay silent and steady, making it less distracting. Taking a moment to fine-tune settings like this can make a big difference, especially if you collaborate often through Google Drive. You'll still be able to keep track of updates on your files without the constant vibration interrupting your day. That's it for this walkthrough. By following these steps, going into Settings, opening Google Drive, tapping on Notifications, choosing notification categories, selecting Comments, and switching off Vibrate, you've now customized your app exactly how you want it. If you found this helpful, remember to check out your other apps' notification categories too, since many of them offer the same kind of fine-tuned adjustments. This way, you can strike a balance between staying informed and enjoying some peace without unnecessary interruptions.